Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Check settings to confirm your iPad is on a recent iOS and has enough space, because uploads fail when storage is low. Once done, open Photos and go to Albums or Recents. Tap Select and choose images you want to update. Make sure to use the share icon to push photos to iCloud, AirDrop, or a backup app. This first step moves your files into the system and prepares them for syncing or editing, so nothing gets lost mid-process. Now focus on the core work: edit and organize. You can crop, adjust exposure, and apply filters inside photos. Tap Done to commit changes. Edits are non-destructive with iCloud. Once edited, create albums and move photos via Add to or Drag and Drop in Split View, which helps future retrieval. To keep updates across devices, enable iCloud Photos in Settings or upload edited copies to Files, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Make sure syncing completes before you clear originals, because that prevents accidental data loss. Finish by exporting and backing up the final versions. Use Share to save to files or choose Export Unmodified Original if you need raw backups. After exporting, clean up by removing duplicates. Use the duplicates album or a reputable app, and confirm albums reflect changes. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Toggle iCloud Photos off and on, reboot the iPad, and verify Wi-Fi, cellular settings, and available storage. These steps resolve most sync errors. If issues persist, sign out of iCloud and sign in again to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.